In this video, I'm going to show you how to resize a table in Notion, step by step, including resizing columns, rows, individual cells, and even the entire table. If you're using Notion for notes, project management, or databases, knowing how to properly resize tables can make your workspace much cleaner and easier to read. This tutorial is perfect for beginners and anyone who wants more control over their Notion layouts. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Notion tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Notion in your browser or desktop app. Once you're inside Notion, create a new page. You can do this by clicking the New Page option in the sidebar. Give your page any name you want, so you can easily recognize it later. This page will be where we create and resize our table. Next, inside the page, type a / on your keyboard. This opens the Notion block menu. From here, select Table. You can choose either an inline table or a full page table, depending on your preference. Once you click on it, Notion will instantly create a table block for you on the page. Now that the table is created, you'll see rows and columns already added by default. If you want to add more rows or columns, move your cursor to the bottom right corner of the table. You can drag that corner to expand the table and add more rows and columns easily. This is useful when you want a larger table without manually adding each row. To resize a column, move your mouse to the vertical line between two column headers. When your cursor changes, click and drag that line left or right. This allows you to make the column wider or narrower, depending on your needs. You can repeat this for any column in the table, adjusting each one independently. You can customize each column size to fit your content better. For example, if one column contains long text, you can make it wider, while keeping other columns smaller for numbers or short labels. This helps keep everything organized and readable. Now let's add some text into a cell. Click inside the first row and first column and type some content. If you notice that the text wraps down into multiple lines, you can fix that by resizing the column. Simply drag the column border until the text fits in a straight line. This makes your table look cleaner and more professional. If you want to resize the entire table, move your cursor to the right edge of the table. You'll see a draggable handle. Click and drag it to adjust the total width of the table on the page. This is especially helpful when you want your table to align better with other content on your Notion page. You can continue adjusting columns, rows, and the table width until everything looks exactly how you want it. Notion gives you a lot of flexibility, so take a moment to fine-tune your layout based on your workflow. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to resize tables in Notion, including columns, cells, and the entire table. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Notion tips, tricks, and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.